I record.
Good bread wasted. Yeah. Big old chains, not a little nigga doing big old things. What you looking at? I came back for just to get to. Minute thing and them chains too fat for. Rebound, so I caught off the backboard. I told the baby girl, come here. No, I run the town even when I ain't from there. And I brag hardly, but just to show up at this party I made with your nigga making one hit. That's how you ride them. Take a chance. Let me show you. Money can't buy you love.
You got what?
You gotta ride them.
Just hope it's right. I'm only here for the night, and we got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing? 'Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man.
Oh, I need sunscreen real fast. Give me the sunscreen.
The birds are coming to get the bread.
Give me the sunscreen. I hate seagulls. Watch out, Deb. I'm about to get in.
Gotta get out.
Should I go this way? Oh, if Aunt Tiffany's riding it, I'll record it. Let me make sure it's recording. How do you know if it's recording? Does it have a red line? It's recording. Just double tap the screen to make sure. Okay. I'm waiting for Aunt Tiffany to get it. They're feeding the seagulls up there. We're in Bimini. And there's a shark right there. Right there. Olivia, are you getting in? I want to see what type of shark that is. Just a nurse shark for sure. Girl, the shark's right there.
It's gonna have to dry. I can't. Yeah. Daddy's got it. Give it to me.
Right, what?
For chest.
We need more?
Yeah.
Here, Liv.
I think in the beach bag. Over here.
No, it's moving away.
There'll be more sharks in the ride. We're going to see the ride of sharks. Don't wait. Don't worry. We'll ride a shark.
I don't know where it went.
But Tiffany got me. She videotaped me on her phone. She only got it one time, though, babe. She said, I wish I would have got you this time when you had your arm
Did it
on.
record?
Yeah.
Shark gone?
Huh?
Shark gone?
Yeah, he left.
Alright, well, pause. Stop. Yeah, I'm stopped.